Big metal. Today's project's going to be a couple of big pot racks, skillet racks. And they're going to be pretty simple, but they'll still be a fair amount of work. I got my friend Christopher here to swing a sledgehammer for me. Christopher and I work together some. He's local to me, and we want to work together more. He helped me with the fleur-de-lis strap hinge project. You can go check that out. So the first step we have to take is to lay these out, mark them out. I'm going to use some sharp dividers to mark a center line. This is 2" by 1/4" flat stock. Scribe that center line, just mark it from both sides. That gives me a close enough mark. This is one of Mark Ling's center punches, square. That mark shows up better, no pun intended. So we're going to come back 2 inches from the end, and I'm just going to make a mark. Not a huge mark, because I've found out the hard way that the bigger the mark is, the more ragged that transition will be. And then I'm going to take a cold chisel and chisel lightly the center line. That'll give me a groove that I can then follow with the hot cut. And if I was really good, I could just eyeball it and it'd be close enough. But I've found it to be kind of a nice safeguard against getting off to have that line chiseled. So Christopher, this is going to be a bit interesting. These are going to be kind of a pain to keep in the fire. Hit it. Hit. Hit. Woo! Always try to seal that off so it doesn't heat up the bar further up where I'm going to be holding it. First lick really good. Go. Lighter. Lighter. One more. Light. There we go. Hit it. Got it. All right, up, oh, like that. Down. Up a little bit. Beautiful. Turn it that way a bit. All right, so since this is going to be a pair of racks, what we're going to do now is we're going to make the end. Where's the other piece? We're going to make the first end on the second rack, and we're going to make it match the first one. And then we will be able to turn both of them around and match the ends again. So that's the best way to get consistency, to get both ends the same and to get both racks the same. And it's rather easier sometimes when making a batch of something or a pair to get consistency. Check this out, Travis. This is going to have hooks where these 4 holes are, it's gonna have hooks for hanging pots or pans or whatever. Like that? I made that this morning. You wanna see? It's heavy.
Not heavy if I do it like this.
You use both arms. You wanna go show it to Mom?
Yeah.
Ah! Gonna burn it. I burned it good. Go. 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 I like that. It's not a perfect match, but it's close enough, and you won't ever be able to tell the difference with them a few inches apart. Flip. Can you hold that?
Sure.
I'm gonna get rid of this piece of tin because we're gonna need to stick those things through the fire. Hopefully the wind won't blow in our faces the whole time. Hit it. Almost hard enough. Hit it hard, Christopher. Oh, of course I don't have my hammer. All right. All right. Side. Top. All right, a little beeswax on here and this thing will be done. Getting a little bit cool. I can warm it up in the fire a little bit. Just want the metal just hot enough to melt the wax. All right, crank that sucker just a little bit. best I can do right there. Oh, guess I better move my coffee. All right, so the hooks for these racks are made from 8 inches of 3/8 square. No, round. What am I saying? Very similar to my other skillet hooks, just made to clip on. Here, give me my coffee. Thank you. Open it back up a little bit. All right.
There you go.
Tool.
You want the big hammer or the real big hammer?
That one. Just quench it off enough that it won't burn the oil. And we're going to go into linseed oil for the finish. Wipe down the excess while it's still warm, or it will be a sticky mess when it's cool. So the last thing I do is I just make sure that the clip is a nice friction fit on the bar. And that way it's not like super sloppy. And that hook is ready to hang skillets. So let's get this rack out and see what it looks like all put together. All right, there she be. This customer wanted 8 hooks on these racks. So we have another one of these to finish. I've already got the hooks made. That'll hold a lot of skillets. And with some good lag screws into the wall, it'll hold the weight no problem. Pretty.